Hey Caroline, this is JD. I posted up in the San Diego Facebook group about businesses that wanted to grow, increase their traffic. So I know you left your business website, your San Diego Realty.com. So just wanted to take a look at it. What I do is, I'll take a look at your online presence, and I will suggest some tips and tricks on how you can grow that presence, and just make yourself more seen by other or by customers. So, first off, your website looks very clean. It looks great. It's simple. It's to the point. It has a lot of pages indexed. So up here is basically how many pages you have on your website. Most businesses, small businesses that I work with, they have anywhere between 1 and 10, and you're up to 166, which is fantastic. The more pages you have on your website, the more Google is going to find you legit, and so they're going to rank you higher. So keep that up. And that's probably because you have all these, neighborhood pages, sellers corner, buyers corner. That's great. I'm assuming that these down here all have their own page as well. So keep doing that. More pages, the better. A few things I would do on this main page. I would make a call to action button right about here, right underneath Meet Your Realtor. That call to action button would just be your phone number. So similar to up here, how it's clickable. If someone is on their phone and they, jump onto your website, they see this or they watch this video, then they want to get in touch with you. We want to make it as simple for customers as possible. I know you have a contact me here, but it's just easier if you have your phone number here. It's clickable, so when they're on the phone, it's super easy. Customers are lazy sometimes, well, a lot of the time. So any way we can make it simpler for them, that is better. Like right here, I would make this one clickable as well, similar to how this goes to your email. I would make this, if someone clicks on it, it goes directly a phone call to you. So that would be my first thing. Second thing is I would add more content to this page. Right now, this is basically all the content you have. So this is all Google has to go off of when they're searching up your website. They look at that first page as like kind of the key ranking factor. So if you want to rank for Realtor San Diego, I would be creating more content for Google to figure that out. So this would basically be for your customers, to read, and then I would add an extra. This is about 100 words, I would say 200. I try to get my clients to have at least 2,000 words. So, whether that's what is a realtor, how is it different than a real estate agent, how do you buy and sell houses, just a bunch of information. I would add that, anywhere. Maybe it's down here, but more content would definitely help your ranking in Google. So talking about your ranking, this is like a tool that I use. It kind of just gives me a background on your website. So right now your authority score is great. It's a 12. Organic search traffic, 122 keywords, which is great. It's a lot of keywords. And your backlinks are 47. So usually most businesses are like 0 to 1. Their keywords are like 10 keywords maybe on a page, and their backlinks are 0. So this is looking very good. Going down to your keywords, you have so your top keywords are Mission Bay Visitor Center, Mission Bay Information Center, Mission Bay Visitors Information. So these keywords aren't really specific to probably someone that's wanting to buy and sell a house, but it's great that this is in your, I believe it's a blog page that you have that's about the Mission Bay Visitor Center. This was back in like September of 2019. So you're right now ranking #1 for that. So if anyone is to type this into their Google page, you're #1. So it may not be the traffic you want or the people that you want to your website, but it does get a lot of traffic. Each month there's 210 people searching for this, which is fantastic. And you're getting about 80% of the traffic is going to your website. So, whether or not it's buyers or sellers, it's good in Google's eyes that you are getting people onto your page. So keep that up, keep doing the blogs. That is definitely helping your website rank. So that is fantastic. Let's look up realtor San Diego, and we'll just kind of see. So the good news that there is a lot of search volume each month for Realtor San Diego. That's about 3,000 people each month are looking for a realtor. So you're in the right area since you service San Diego. The only bad thing, not really bad, but it's a difficult keyword. So that means there's a lot of competition for it. So every little thing you do can help out. So again, good news, there's a lot of traffic even for keyword variations, related keywords. There's a lot of different searches that happen for your specific business. So that's good. Now we just got to get you ranked for it. So we will look at your Google My Business page. So the Google My Business page is, it's great that you have it. You have good reviews, 19 Google reviews, all 5 stars. When going into your Google page, so one thing I would change if I were you, I would expand this out more. This is just kind of, unless you just service the Pacific Beach, Mission Bay area, which if you do, that's great. You got it covered. But if you don't, if you sell houses or buy houses in San Diego, downtown San Diego, National City, La Jolla, then I would expand that. That way you're not, put in a box, I guess you can say, in Google aspects. So get this, change that, make it a little bit more wider. I would add some more pictures. I looked at it. I think you have probably about like 20 pictures on here. I would say get that up to 40, 50 pictures, maybe 10 pictures a week you add, whether that's pictures of you, whether that's pictures of houses that you're selling or people that you've sold to. I would just get more content on there. I do see that you add content, like this was 5 days ago, which is fantastic. So keep doing that. Google likes when you are active on your listings. So the more content you put on there, the better you will rank for keywords. So if I look up, let's see, San Diego real estate agent, it may not be particular to you. I know realtor and real estate agent are a little different, but if someone's searching it, this is that Google Map Pack that we want to see your listing in. So how do you get into this Google Map Pack? So like I mentioned, more content on your page, more reviews, more engagement. So if someone leaves a review, I didn't check, but if you say, hey, thanks for, if someone said, hey, Caroline, great service, you're the best, and then you respond back to them. When you respond back, I would go into like key terms. Like if you sold their house to them in La Jolla, I would make sure you use the keyword La Jolla in your response back to them. Google reads everything. So if they read that you sold a house in La Jolla and a house in North Park and one in Grantville, College West, La Mesa, then it's going to read that and it's going to rank you higher in these areas as well. So just be mindful. Always use your keywords when you are, even if you're posting up here, like clogged toilets in Pacific Beach, clogged toilets in National City. Just always use those key terms. And then I would get some more citations to rank you higher. So let me look up this. Caroline. Hopefully this loads quick. Cool. So citations are whenever your name, address, and phone number comes up in Google. So you have a YouTube page, you have Facebook, Realtor.com. They all probably have your name, address, and phone number. There's also these other websites that have your name, address, and phone number in it. So after this video, if you are interested in getting some more citations, reach out to me. I have a list of like 138 citations or citation websites, directory websites that you can enter your information on. I can pass that along to you. I would say do about 5 citations a week maybe, and start knocking that out. That way we can get this citation source higher. The more citations you have, the higher you are going to rank in these areas as well. So someone could have, 100 reviews, and someone else has 2 reviews, and the 2 reviews is higher because they have more citations. So it's just those little things. So I have this cool heat map that I use. So basically what it is it shows me your Google My Business, which is here. It shows me a keyword that someone's searching for, and then it shows me where your Google My Business is listed. If someone is to search in La Jolla area, or if someone is to search in, Bonita, it's going to show me where you rank. So right now, you are, 20, which is, it could just be that there's a lot of competition in your area. So we want to get you looking, maybe we have, let's see, this is another one of my clients that I work with. So just to kind of give you some perspective, so this is a little better. This is about a month that I've been working with them. He was, again, kind of like you with all 20s, and now we're getting down to 3s and 4s. Obviously, our ideal is to get into 1, 2, or 3, because if you're in 1, 2, or 3, you're going to show up in this map pack here. So citations, more pictures, more content will all help out with that ranking. So yeah, let's see what else. So that's all I really had for you. Again, if you have any questions, or I can help out, feel free to reach out to me. If you need someone to write your content, I can do that. If you need someone to optimize your Google My Business, I can do that as well. Or even someone to do your citations for you. Again, I can do all that. Or I can give you the tools and you can do it. It's really up to you. But I appreciate you, taking the time. Obviously, it shows that you want to grow your business, or you want to expand more. And I can definitely help you out there. Again, any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks, Caroline. You take care.